Okay, today we're going to talk about start out with our calendar again. So let's talk about our year. What year is it? Yep, it's still 2020. And what month are we in? Think? It's August. Good. Now, yesterday we added our circle date tag with the number 4 on it. So we have a square, and then what shape? Triangle. And then what shape? Triangle. And then what shape? Circle. All right, so that's our pattern. That's our full pattern. So if this is our full pattern, what shape should come next? Yes, a square. So I'm going to put a square here. And then let's figure out what number goes here. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's next? 5. So I'm going to put a 5 here. Just move this over. Move it down a little bit. And there we go. There's our 5. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And let's figure out what our date is then. So we start with our month. What month are we in? August. And then we say the number on the date tag, which is 5. And then we say the year, which is 2020. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. So when I spell August, I need to start with what kind of letter? A capital letter. So I have A, U, G, U-S-T, and then I put a finger space, and then what's the number on the date tag? A 5, so I'm going to write a 5, and then I need my little comma, and then I need another finger space, and then what's the year? 2020. All right, let's say that together, our date. Ready? Today's date is August 5th, 2020. Good. Now let's figure out the day of the week. And to figure out the day of the week, remember, we need to find today's date tag and go straight up. So here's today's date tag. We go straight up, and what's the day of the week? Wednesday. And Wednesday is spelled with a capital letter too. So I'm going to make a capital W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y. So if we say it all together, we would say today is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. So if today is Wednesday, let's go back up here. Today's Wednesday. What day of the week was it? Yesterday. All right, to go find that, we go to yesterday's date tag and we go straight up, and yesterday was Tuesday. Okay, so we're back to today. If we want to know what tomorrow's day of the week is, we would just move forward 1. And what's tomorrow's day of the week? Thursday. Nice job. Let's practice our days of the week. Let's sing our song. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, how many days of the week are there? Hopefully you said 7. Let's count just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if today is Wednesday, that's our 4th day of the week, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are on the 4th day of the week. Let's sing our months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. All right, let's see if you can remember what number August is out of 12. Hopefully you said 8. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. August is the 8th month. And we are counting to 50 again today, so do that with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yesterday we were in school how many days? 12 days. That's right. We had one tower of 10, so we had a 1 here, and then we had 2 extra, so that was 2 here. 12 days of school. So today, how many days? If we added one more of our linking cubes, how many days would be in school today? Well, we added 3 here, and those are the extras, the ones, right? So instead of having a 2 there, we're going to erase that. And what number will we put? A 3. Did this number change? Nope, we still have 1 tower of 10, and now we have 3 extras. So how many days have we been in school today? You got it, 13 days. Nice job. So today's lesson, we are going to work on ordering sets from smallest to largest. So let's take a look at all these linking cubes. I've got a bunch of different colors, and I want to know which one I have the most of and which set I have the least of. So it's kind of hard to tell, right? Because they're all scattered all over the board here. So the easiest thing to do would be if I put them all together in towers. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. I'm going to put the green with the green. Let's start a row for the red. Here's some blue. And I'm just going to start putting this together. I'm going to pretend I'm snapping them together. If we were in person, I'd be snapping them together like they were towers. But so let's just pretend that's what I'm doing. I'm going to kind of put them together here, and we'll see how many we have of each. And yeah, look at this. Won't this be a lot easier to tell how many I have of each now? Yeah, because I can just count each. They're all grouped together. So let's do that now. Let's count each and see where we are. So the yellow, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 yellow. And let's count the green. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green. And the red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 red. And blue, we have 1, 2, 3. All right, isn't it a lot easier to tell which color we have the most of and what we have the fewest of? It's a lot easier. Okay, so all we have to do is look at the numbers now. What color do we have the most of? Yeah, it's 8. And what do we have it's red. And what do we have the fewest or the least of? It's the blue right here with only 3. Now we're going to put these in order. So first I want to start with which color, remind me again, which color do we have the fewest of? Right, it's the blue. So I'm going to put that here with our 3. All right, now if we look at these remaining 3 towers, which of these do we have the fewest of now? It's the green. So I'm going to move the green over here with the number. All right. Now let's look at the remaining 2. Which of these do we have the fewest or the least of? The yellow with 6. That's right. So I'm going to move that here. Move that there. And what do we have left? It's the red. So I'm going to put that over here with the 8. And what does it look like we've made? Does it look to you like we've made steps? Look, you can step here, 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 here. Right, so we've ordered them from the fewest or the least to the greatest or the most. Now we have 2 towers, and let's count to see how many cubes are in each tower. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to go ahead and make 2 towers of 10 cubes, then you can do this activity along with me. Just pause the video and make your 2 towers, and then start it back up, and we'll be back in sync. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is we're going to make a tower of 4 cubes from one of the towers that is already together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break off cubes. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this here, 1, and I'm going to make a tower of 4. 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to write the number 4. What you'll do is you'll take a number card and you're going to place a number 4 number card next to your tower of 4 so that it's together. All right, next we're going to make a tower of 7 cubes. So I'm going to snap off 7 cubes from one of the 2 towers over here that I've already used. I'm going to leave this alone. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I need one more from the other tower. 7. All right, and then I'm going to find my number card, and I'm going to have a 7 in front of that. Next, we're going to make a tower of 3. So you're going to use the original tower from here, and we're going to break off 3 cubes. You're going to leave these 2 alone. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to write a 3. You're going to take your 3 number card and place that with that tower. The last one we're going to do is we're going to make a tower of 6 from this original group of linking cubes. So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And think about what number card are you going to place right here with your tower of 6? The 6 number card, of course. So I'm going to write the number 6 there. All right, which tower has the most linking cubes? Which one has the most? The 4, the 7, the 3, or the 6? Yeah, it's the 7. And which tower has the fewest? 4, 7, 3, or 6? This time it's the 3. Now we're going to put our towers in order from the fewest or the least to the greatest or the most. Okay, I've moved the towers over to the left so that I can make some room over here so that we can order them from least to greatest. So which of these again was the least? It's the 3. So I'm going to put that here first with the number card below it. You do the same. All right, now we have 3 towers left, 4, 7, and 6. Which is the least or has the fewest now? It's the 4. So I'm going to move that next. Yep, good job. And I want you to do the same thing with yours. Okay, now we have 7 and 6. Which of these 2 has the fewest linking cubes in it? It's the 6. You got it. So I'm going to put that next. And then we're left with the 7. So that means that has the most. My 7 doesn't want to move. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see if it's looking like steps. That's how we know if it's from the fewest to the greatest. Can you walk on it like steps? You sure can. And let's see when we're counting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does that make sense? It sure does. So we have ordered our towers from fewest or least to greatest. All right, so now we're going to put our number cards in order. So if you have those in front of you still, I'd like you to work on scramble them up and then put them together. So when you're done, this is basically what they should look like. We should have the 0, and then what comes next? The 1, and then the 2, and then what? The 3. What's next? 4. What comes after 4? 5, and then what? 6, and then 7, and then 8, and last but not least, 9. All right, so you scramble yours up and put them in order and make sure they look like this. The 0 goes in front of the 1. That's really, really important. Have fun.